Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we'll see Standard 8th and subject Science. In that chapter number 7. Chapter name is Conservation of Plants and Animals. In the previous video we have seen up to main 4. Today we'll see main 5. Answer the following questions in one sentence, 1 mark each. Question number 1. What is Red Data Book? Answer is Red Data Book is the source book which keeps a record of all the endangered animals and plants. Question number 2. Give two names of each sanctuary and national park. Sanctuary, Bharatpur Sanctuary, and number 2, Lokchau Wildlife Sanctuary. National parks is number 1, Kaziranga National Park, number 2, Satpura National Park. Question number 3. What is meant by deforestation? Answer is the meaning of deforestation is clearing of forest and using that land for other purposes. Question number 4. What are natural causes of deforestation? Answer is natural causes of deforestation are forest fires and river drought. Question number 5. What are sanctuaries? Answer is sanctuaries are the area where animals are protected from any disturbance to them and their habitat. Question number 6. Why does global warming occur due to increase in amount of carbon dioxide in atmosphere? Answer is global warming occurs due to increase in the amount of carbon dioxide in atmosphere because it traps heat rays reflected from the earth's surface. Question number 7. What is meant by biodiversity? Answer is biodiversity means the variety of organisms existing on the earth, their interrelationship and their relationship with the environment. Number 8. What are biosphere reserves? Answer. Large areas of protected land for conservation of wildlife and peoples also become part of the system. Question number 9. What is a species? Answer is species is a group of population which are capable of interbreeding. Now see the next page. Question number 10. What is strictly prohibited in wildlife sanctuary? Killing means poaching or capturing of animals is strictly prohibited in wildlife sanctuary. Number 11. We give two names of wild animal sanctuaries found in Panchmarhi Biosphere Reserve. The wild animal or wildlife sanctuaries located in Panchmarhi Biosphere Reserves are Gori and second one Panchmarhi. Question number 12. State two examples of endemic flora of the Panchmarhi Biosphere Reserves. Answer. Two examples of endemic flora of the Panchmarhi Biosphere Reserves are sal and wild. Number 13. Give two examples of endemic fauna of the Panchmarhi Biosphere Reserve. Answer. Two examples of endemic fauna of the Panchmarhi Biosphere Reserves are bison, Indian giant squid. Question number 14. What is called endemic species? Answer is those species which are found exclusively in a particular area and are not naturally found anywhere else. Question number 15. What is Project Tiger? Answer is the government launched the project to protect and maintain the tiger population in the country. It is called Project Tiger. Question number 16. What is called endangered species? Answer is a species whose numbers are diminished to a level that might face extinction is called endangered species. Example: wild buffalo and barracuda. Number 17. For what is the Forest Conservation Act launched in India? Answer is for preservation and conservation of natural forest in India. The main 6. Answer the following question in short, 2 marks each. Question number 1. Why should we conserve biodiversity? We should conserve biodiversity to prevent the species becoming extinct and to maintain and food web of ecosystem. Question number 2. What are the causes and consequences of deforestation? The Causes of deforestation. Number 1. Procuring land for cultivation. Number 2. Building houses and factories. Number 3. Making furniture or using wood as a fuel. Consequence of deforestation. Number 1. Increase in the level of carbon dioxide in atmosphere. Point 2. Increase in temperature of the earth. Point 3. Rainfall and the fertility of the soil decreases. Now see the question number 3 on next page. Question number 3. Explain how deforestation leads to reduced rainfall. Answer is, deforestation stops the growth of plants as well as transpiration. It reduces water from trees. Vapor is not properly captured in the atmosphere. No proper condition generated for irrigate. Above all, no trees to stop rainy clouds made. See the question number 4. State the effects of deforestation on the soil. Answer is, the effects of deforestation on the soil. Number 1. Soil erosion increases. Point 2. Soil fertility. Point 3. Water holding capacity of the soil decreases. Point 2. The movement of water from surface into ground. Filtration rate is reduced. Point 5. Nutrition content texture of the soil also change. Question number 5. Explain protected areas and state that activities which are related. Answer is, to protect our flora and fauna, the nature is declared as protected areas. Sanctuaries, national parks and biosphere reserves have been marked as protected areas. Planting, cultivation, grazing, felling, hunting and capturing of animals are prohibited in protected areas. The question number 6. How should we protect our wildlife? Answer is, to protect wildlife, specific protected areas have been earmarked to prevent tree cutting, hunting and poaching of animals. Enforcement of rules, methods and policies to protect and conserve wildlife should be restricted for the people living in or near the forest fulfill their needs, keeping in mind wildlife. Question number 7. What do you know about biosphere reserve area? Answer is, biosphere reserves are the areas meant for conservation of biodiversity. They are large areas of protected land for conservation of wildlife, plant and animal resources and traditional life of the tribals living in the area. The biosphere reserves helps to maintain the biodiversity and culture of that area. Example, Panchmarhi Biosphere Reserves. Question number 8. What are wildlife sanctuaries? Which unique areas are there in Indian wildlife sanctuaries? Answer is, wildlife sanctuaries are the areas that provide protections and suitable living conditions to wild animals. Indian sanctuaries have unique landscapes, areas such as broad level forest, mountain forest and bushlands in the deltas of big rivers. Question number 9. Which animals are much more endangered of becoming extinct? Why should we save them? Answer is, small animals such as snakes, frogs, lizards, bats, owls, etc. are much more endangered of becoming extinct. We should save them because even in small size, they form part of food chain and food webs. Without realizing their importance in the ecosystem, we are harming ourselves by living. Question number 10. What is deforestation? Explain how can we fulfill the loss due to deforestation. Answer is, clearing of forest by cutting trees on is called deforestation. The harm occurred by deforestation can be filled with reforestation. Reforestation is restocking of the destroyed forest by planting new trees. The planted trees should generally be of the same species which were found in that forest. We should plant at least as many trees as we cut. Plantation of trees on either side of roads, railway track, canals, on the divider or even on wasteland. Reforestation can take place naturally also. If the deforestation area is left undisturbed, it re-established itself. In natural reforestation, there is no role of human beings. Now to the question of how can forest and wildlife be saved? Answer is, Point 1. Forest and wildlife can be saved by personal efforts and efforts of society. Point 2. Government agencies also take care of the forest and animals. Point 3. The government lays down rules, methods, and policies to protect and conserve them. Point 4. Areas possessing biodiversity are declared as protected areas. Point 5. Biosphere reserves are large areas of protected land for conservation of wildlife. Point 6. Animals and their habitats are protected from any disturbance. Point 7. In national parks where wildlife can freely use that habitat and natural resources. Point 8. In all such protected areas where plantation, cultivation, grazing, cutting of trees, hunting and poaching are prohibited. Now we will see the main 7 in the part 3 video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.